Medico important simplified. So today we are going to deal with a very important frequently asked question in community medicine, that is acculturation. What is acculturation? So acculturation means culture contact. Okay, so what is acculturation? It basically means culture contact. So what is just culture contact? So when two people of different culture are coming in contact or coming in contact with each other what occurs is there's going to be a diffusion of culture. There is going to be diffusion of culture in both ways. Now let me explain what are the various ways in which this culture contact takes place. So now you know what is culture contact. Now what are the various ways this culture contact takes place? So this is given by a mnemonic, and the mnemonic is TIPREC. TIPREC. So what is this TIPREC? T for trade and commerce, first one, and then I for industrialization. Then P. What does P stands for? P for PR. PR stands for propagation of religion. And E stands for education. And C stands for commerce. So all of these are various ways. Your TIPREC is the various ways in which culture contact takes place. A very C for commerce. Okay, I'm repeated just commerce. C for conquest, guys, and you will never forget this conquest if you are an Indian, because one of the best example for conquest is British brought culture contact. Okay, brought culture into India through this conquest. Okay, this example you'll never forget. Now you know what are the various ways of culture contact, everything. You know what is acculturation. Now let me give what is the use of this, what is the importance of culture contact in medicine. Can you tell me what is the importance of culture contact in medicine? So remember that the introduction of scientific medicine was basically through culture contact. Okay, so the introduction of scientific medicine was by culture contact. So what are the various examples of culture contact? So the various of examples of culture contact are, example is changes in the food habits. So these changes of food habits that are brought by culture contact, definitely, like a French cuisine or any other cuisine, like a Chinese cuisine. These are all the changes in the food habits that is brought by culture contact, by acculturation. Second example is, for example, nowadays Orthodox Brahmins in India are today eating meat, right? So that is also an example of change in the food habit. Another important example is widespread of tobacco. Okay, widespread of tobacco use is brought by culture contact. That is also brought by acculturation. Okay, widespread of tobacco all over the world is brought by culture contact. And the third example is this cultural behavioral patterns of the people are being shaped by what? Radio, television, cinema. So these have been very important factors in shaping the culture and behavior patterns in people. So this is all about acculturation. Once again, I'm revising. Acculturation means culture contact, where two people of different culture are coming in contact with each other, and there's going to be diffusion of culture in both the ways. So various ways is TIPREC, T for trade and commerce, I for industrialization, PR for propagation of religion, E for education, and C for conquest. Example: British conquesting, bringing culture into India by conquest. And the importance is introduction of scientific medicine was through the culture contact. Example: changes in the food habits, like a Brahmin eating meat, and tobacco. Worldwide, they are using tobacco because of acculturation, culture contact. And the main factors influencing culture, like radio, television, and cinema. So thank you. To stay tuned with more important questions in PSM and other subjects. Yeah, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.